My name is Leah Kiguatha and I'm a lawyer by profession. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. I practice mainly family law, child law, and real estate law. Adoption is the full cutting off of the biological link between a child and the parents. And then you put this link now, the legal responsibility, on another set of parents or another parent. Most times, the child is either abandoned or they're given up for adoption. So these are the two main ways in which children end up being available for adoption. I mean, I've heard some people say that, you don't know where this child is coming from, and you don't know their ancestry, and you don't know what things they will bring into your family. But I always say, even when you're pregnant, you don't know who you're carrying. The adopted child is a child just like your biological child. Yeah, so it just takes courage to give this child a chance, because there are very, very many children needing families. And the best place for a child to grow up is in a family, not an institution. There are several qualifications. There are the legal qualifications first and foremost. You have to be above the age of 25. You have to be at least 21 years older than the child. If you're a couple, you have to be a married couple. If you want to adopt jointly with somebody, you have to be a married couple. If you are single, a single woman cannot adopt a girl, but she can also adopt a boy, but she has to show there has to be special circumstances as to why, as a single woman, you should be given a boy. A single man can adopt a boy, and he can also adopt a girl if there are special circumstances. And then you can't be over the age of 65. But if you're over the age of 65, you can still ask for adoption, but you would have to show special circumstances that warrant you as a person who's over 65 years old to adopt the child. If you're a single woman and you want to adopt a boy, for example, you already have another child. You have a biological child whom you are raising and you have raised successfully. And so now you want a brother for this child. And also if the child, for example, has special needs which you can take care of. For example, the child has a special need, maybe let's say a physical disability, and you have special qualifications or a special interest or a passion that is demonstrated that says then you are able to take care of this child. Also, if the child has been in a children's home for very long and there's nobody else who is available or willing to adopt them, those are some of the special circumstances that are looked at. And sometimes the child is a relative, like for example, a nephew you have been bringing up, and now you need to secure them legally in your family, and there's nobody else in the family who is interested in taking care of the child. Then an adoption can be granted in those circumstances. The law says homosexuals are not allowed to adopt. That's what our Children Act says. Mm-hmm. And then single foreign males are also not allowed to adopt under our law. Yeah. Those are the two sets of people, but those are the legal requirements. There will be other social parameters that the Adoption Society will look at. Are you fit? Are you a fit parent? Are you, do you have the support, the social support to become a parent in this way? Do you have, for example, the financial stability to take care of a child? Not that are you rich? It's really, do you have the financial stability? In 2014, the cabinet announced a moratorium against foreign adoptions. So in the last 4 years, foreigners have not been allowed to adopt in Kenya.